What does Charlie say, Ben? Do you say ouch, Charlie?
What's ouch, Charlie? There's a little boy.
Ben, can you say
like that?
ouch, Charlie?
Oh.
Oh, hugs. I see that. I'm filming.
She said, okay.
Okay.
Hi. Oh. He's like, that's a little wet. She's like, oh, Grandma, don't tell Mama.
Okay, Ben. Okay, Ben.
Wait till Michael sees that. Michael's. I know. She's kind of rough. Ow. You said ouch, Charlie. Okay.
I'm filming it. Oh, honey.
Oh.
You love her so much.
Oh. Oh, you're so sweet. Okay, she wants to. Can she stand up next to you now? Because she wants to talk to you. She likes to talk to you, Ben. Because you're her friend.
Hop.
Like,
Hop.
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 You got up.
Up. She's up. She wanted to be up. She's all excited. She's like, oh, bless you, my child. What are you doing?
She likes his hair.
Yeah, she gets all excited.
Sit. He wants her to
Oh, you want
sit.
to sit?
She may not want to sit.
Well, let's see what happens here. Whoops, sorry. She wants to be able to look at you. That's the problem. There. There. I'm going to put this pillow right here. There. Oh, now look at those two peas in a pod. Look how cute. She's like, I'm going to pull your eye out.
Ben, say bye.
Bye.
Say bye.